Centroid is the center point of geometry at which about concentrated of length and area and volume. Simply that is our phone, that is the geometry, that is the front side, that is the geometry. Suppose half of the length, half of the width, that is the point, that is the centroid. That centroid about concentrated of length, area and volume, that is the known as centroid. Second is center of gravity. Center of gravity, a point about concentrated of mass, is known as the center of gravity. For example, a point about whole mass are concentrated, that point is known as the centroid. Center of gravity, a object about point concentrated of whole mass, that is known as the moment center of gravity. And when I am see only the geometry of the object, that is the rectangle, what is the length here, half of the length, half of the width, that is the point of length, that is the center of gravity, centroid. Basically centroid is the geometrical property of an object, but center of gravity is the concentrated, a point about concentrated of mass, that is the center of gravity. Centroid is the first moment of inertia. I am discuss in the moment of inertia expression is the equation, write down E into x, that known as the first moment of inertia. That first moment of inertia is known as the centroid of the object. Let us assume a lamina whose area A divided in small part A1, A2 and A3. Take a reference axis x and y. About small part length from y-axis is A1 area to y-axis is x1, A2 x2, from y-axis to A3 object is x3, and I am suppose that our centroid axis are centroid point are lie at x bar distance, and again from x axis through our area A1 distance is y1, A2 y2, A3 to y3. First area moment of inertia about y-axis equal to sum of first moment of small part inertia about y-axis. First moment of inertia about y-axis of whole object means A into x bar, and the sum of the first moment of inertia of small part about y-axis A1 x1 plus A2 x2 plus A3 into x3, that is equal first moment of inertia of the whole object about y-axis equal to moment of inertia of individual part of a object is both moment are equal. Then A into that will find out the x bar is equal to A1 x1 plus A2 x2 plus A3 x3 divided by A. What is the A is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. That is same procedure applied to y bar. Then find out the y bar is equal to A1 y1 plus A2 y2 plus A3 y3 divided by A1 plus A2 plus A3. That x bar and y bar, what is the then find out the x bar and y bar, that is a draw in actual centroid of the given geometry from x bar is equal to from y distance, y bar is equal to from x axis distance. Then find out the centroid point O, and this centroid point draw a axis, that axis known as the centroidal axis. I am draw in the figure is red pen through, that axis known as the centroidal